So we're going to send an NFT that is already on your MetaMask wallet to the Ballet physical wallet. Right now we have our MetaMask open. It's showing the one NFT that we have, one Tasty Bones. And we're going to use the OpenSea platform to view and then send the NFT to the Ballet wallet. You want to go up to the top right icon of OpenSea.io and click on Profile. This will then bring up your NFT. Right now we can see your NFT, the one Tasty Bones NFT. You want to tap on it, and then you want to just scroll up to the top right icon to transfer. Click on Transfer. And then you want to take the public address that's on the top of the Ballet wallet and then paste it into the transfer field. Once you've pasted the address, just tap on Transfer at the bottom. And then your MetaMask will pop up. Your MetaMask wallet will pop up with all the transaction details. You want to go through it, confirm it, make sure it's accurate, and then tap on Confirm at the bottom. And your NFT transfer should be started. And eventually your transfer should be completed. Okay, now that we've transferred the NFT to the physical Ballet wallet, we're going to show you how to see the NFT through the Ballet Crypto App. So you want to bring up the Ballet Crypto App and scan the physical Ballet wallet into the app. Tap on Scan, scan the QR code, and your wallet should be added to the app. You then want to navigate to the top right section of the app and tap on the menu icon. And then go down to Collectibles NFT. You will then need to find the NFT collections pertaining to your NFT. In our case, that is Tasty Bones. You want to open up Tasty Bones, and then you can find your NFT. And then you'll be able to see your NFT on the app. We'll then show you how to see the same NFT on OpenSea.io. So you want to go back to the main screen of the app, go down to More, and then you want to turn on Expert Mode. This will allow you to enable Wallet Connect. You then want to go back to your wallet on the app, and in the menu section, you can then turn on Wallet Connect. But first, we need to initiate Wallet Connect on OpenSea.io. So on their webpage, you can go to the top right corner and then turn on Wallet Connect. They will then prompt you with a QR code, which you need the app to scan. So tap on Wallet Connect on the app and scan the QR code. Once you confirm the connection on your app, you will then be connected with OpenSea.io through the Ballet Crypto App. You can then go up to your profile section on the top right corner, bring up your profile. It will then show all your NFTs pertaining to your wallet address. And there is your NFT. So now that we have the NFT on your physical Ballet wallet, we're going to show you how to send the NFT to another Ballet wallet, for example. So if you want to send it to your friends or family, you can send it to another Ballet wallet. We'll first reveal the passphrase and the encrypted private key, because you'll be needing those two components to confirm and sign a transaction. So we'll go ahead and reveal the passphrase and the encrypted private key. After that's completed, you want to bring up the NFT on your Ballet Crypto app and make sure you have the second wallet ready that you want to transfer to. Tap on Send, and in the To field, you then want to scan the other wallet's QR code. And make sure the other wallet's QR code is pertaining to an Ethereum address if you're sending an Ethereum NFT. You want to confirm the information, make sure the to address is confirmed and the amount of fees is also suitable for the transaction that you want to send out. You want to tap on next, and then you want to enter in your passphrase. After you've entered in your passphrase completely, you then want to scan the encrypted private key on the yellow sticker. You can then confirm and completely sign your transaction. You want to tap send now, and your NFT should be completed and confirmed to be sent out to the other Ballet wallet.